Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is me, Shati. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create this beautiful eye look. So if you're interested in this kind of look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting with priming my eyelids and I'm using this Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Now I'm going to blend this. And for today's look, I'm going to use this Fantasy Eyeshadow palette by Ucanbe. First of all, I'm going to take a black shade and I'm going to draw an outline. Now I'm taking this brown shade and blending that black color. Blending in a circular motion. Now taking this red shade and again blending. Now again I'm taking that brown shade and I'm going to apply that on my outer third portion. Taking some black shade. Now again taking that red color and I'm blending. Now I'm applying this orange shade. Again taking that red shade and blending. Now I'm going to cut my crease and I'm going to use this Elegant Pro Concealer. Now I'm going to use this white shade. This is kind of a white shimmery shade and I'm going to press that here. Now I'm going to add a winged liner and I'm going to use this Faces Canada Ultime Matte Pro Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm gonna take that black shade again and I'm going to blend that outer part of my liner. Now again taking that red shade and I'm going to blend that outer part. And now I'm going to tighten up my lower waterline and I'm using this Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil for that. Now taking some black shade again. And that red shade it's time to highlight my inner corner and eyebrow bone, and I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Big Gradient Highlighter palette. Okay, so my eye makeup is done. Now I'm going to put some falsies and I'm gonna complete my wrist makeup, and I'll be right back. So here is the final look completed. I am so much in love with this look. You like this look or not? Please let me know by commenting below. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the bell icon. Then you will be updated whenever I upload any videos. And here I'm sharing some of my previous works. You may like to watch these also. That's all for today. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.